Hi, I'll be explaining the concepts in the Alka-Seltzer lava lamp lab. First, the substances that were used in the lab were water, oil, food coloring, and Alka-Seltzer tablet. Water is a transparent liquid and has low viscosity because it flows easily with no resistance. Oil is also a transparent liquid but has more viscosity because it flows with some resistance. Food coloring is an opaque liquid, and the Alka-Seltzer tablet is a solid that is white in color, but when the Alka-Seltzer tablet reacts, it creates a gas. Water is also a compound because it's H2O. The first did was fill a bottle of water until it was a fourth full. Then we added oil. This created a suspension or a heterogeneous mixture. The oil was able to suspend above the water because of its density. The water is more dense than the oil, causing it to sink to the bottom. Then we added food coloring into the water, and that created a homogeneous mixture, and it was able to pass through the oil and submerge into the water. The water was the solvent, while the food coloring acted as the solute because it dissolved into the water. Adding the food coloring into the water was a physical change because it is still water, just a different color. Next, we added the Alka-Seltzer tablet.
It's going into the top. Some of the blue is going to the top.
When we added the Alka-Seltzer tablet into the bottle, it dissolved and created a gas. When water and Alka-Seltzer combined, they formed carbon dioxide. This gas then began to fizz. The colored water began to bubble up. The gas was able to carry the food-colored bubbles up to the top and rise to the oil. When they reached the top, the gas bubbles popped and the density of the food-colored water droplets caused it to fall back to the bottom. This reaction stopped when there are no more of the two elements, carbon and oxygen, to make carbon dioxide. The water in Alka-Seltzer had a chemical reaction because a new substance was formed, which was the carbon dioxide, which is also a compound. The reaction happens every time an Alka-Seltzer tab was added to the water. Whether it's a homemade lava lamp or a store-bought one, there is always a lot of science behind it.